In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play CS2 with friends without paying $5 on Steam. Imagine being able to enjoy a game of CS2 with your friends without having to spend extra money. That's exactly what we're going to do today, so let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Steam app. If you're not familiar with it, Steam is a digital distribution platform that allows you to purchase, download, and play games. Make sure you have the app installed on your computer. Once you've opened it, you'll see the main login page. Here you'll want to click on the login button. If you already have an account, you're good to proceed. If not, you'll need to create one, which is quite straightforward and involves providing an email address and setting a password. Next, enter your account name and password into the login fields. It's crucial to ensure that your login details are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've typed them in, simply click the sign in button. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. Take a moment to look around if you're new to Steam. This is where you'll find all your games, navigate through the store, and manage your friends list. To play with friends, you'll want to go to the top menu and locate the Friends option. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select Add a Friend. This is how you'll be able to connect with your friends on Steam. After selecting Add a Friend, you'll see the option to send a quick invite. This is essentially sending a request to your friends to join you on Steam without any additional cost. Once you see the invite option, click on Copy to copy the invitation link. It's as simple as sharing this link with your friend. You can do this via email, text message, or any of your preferred messaging platforms. Make sure your friend receives the link so they can open it. After your friend opens the link, they'll send you a friendship request on Steam. Be on the lookout for this request, and once it comes in, make sure to accept it promptly. And there you have it. Once you're connected, you're all set to play CS2 with your friend. You can now enjoy the game together without spending an extra $5 on Steam. It's that easy and hassle-free, so grab your friends, get online, and have fun exploring the world of CS2 together. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your game.